Down.
Welcome to Lalomalava village.
This is the hut of Lalomalava. Decorated statue. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Whose shop? Whose shop is it?
What?
Whose shop?
Yeah.
So you can get ice cream from me.
Yeah.
And what else? Everything else? Yeah.
Bread.
Turn around this way.
What?
Turn around this way. Whose houses are down here?
I don't know.
Don't know.
Maybe the poor people. I don't know.
House.
And this is where his son lives.
Yeah, okay.
Stay with a bulky.
Hey. So you filmed those guys playing rugby? And these are the playing rugby. You guys playing rugby. Got it. Wait. I just... Yeah, that's it. Good.
These people are the Mormon people.
Who?
They were still at the church.
It's up for the car, right?
This shop is where they sell vegetables, fruits, and I don't know.
They got popos and...
Yeah, coconuts. Did you pass it or?
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, and this is the house where they sell barbecues.
Barbecues.
And this is also the Mormon people.
Yeah, okay.
There are 2 stores on this side
Hmm.
and 2 stores on this side.
Yeah, okay.
That store with the where they sell sugar or whatever it is.
Which one? The one down... Oh, that shop.
Yeah.
The other side.
The family moved away.
Family moves away. Oh, okay. So no one's staying there anymore?
What?
No one's staying over here anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And that's the house where Abu and the other nuns came here and then they make a committee.
Oh, okay. They play bingo?
Huh?
Is that where they play bingo?
Yeah.
Bingo house.
And sometimes they also do the committee.
Yeah, okay. So this is another shop?
This shop?
Yeah.
The owner of the shop is my friend.
Oh, okay.
When I was a little kid, when I went to Viola,
Yeah.
I always come here and buy me stuff, some M&Ms.
Oh, okay.
And the people who live there, I don't know.
And this is the new sign?
Yeah. Yeah.
Lalomalava. Is that Kiko's house at the back?
Yeah.
Back house.
Yeah.
No? Yes? They Kiko's house or not?
No.
Oh. No?
And this is the house of the Mormon people too. And the woman who stays here is my school teacher. It's Viola.
Oh, okay. So whose house is those ones? You don't know?
Yeah, only no one.
Anymore? They got doing a fire.
Yeah. Maybe they're going to
Make some food. Oh, okay.
And the house, maybe the people left their house right? Or maybe they are asleep. Wow. The house, there was no white house at the back, European house at the back.
Oh, okay.
It was a Samoan house, but now they built a European house.
And whose house is this?
This one?
Yeah.
This is our neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
And
With the shop, eh? Today's Saturday, eh?
Yeah.
Saturday today. So what will most families be doing on Saturday?
I don't know, maybe.
Preparing the food for tomorrow?
Yeah. Maybe they're went to their plantation and put some taro, tamu, and then they put it in their cookhouse.
Yeah.
And in the morning, then they wake up and then go cook the food. For our family.
Family house.
Yeah. Some of them are in our church, and some of them are Mormon.
Church. So that's a house there.
Huh?
It's a house there across the road.
Yeah.
It's Grandma's house. And the church.
Oh, yeah. That's the woman.
Who owns this house? Who owns this house?
I don't know.
Church? No?
The church where my grandmother, Alu, and my family go. Church where Alu go. I don't know many people.
This makiki, eh?
This is where people would go to the plantation and bring taro or tamu, and then they sold it here.
This is the primary school.
Yep. And it goes on
All the way to the back.